And so some would say that Filipino Sign Language is also American Sign Language. And the idea comes really because of the presence of American Sign Language books in our bookstores, in our libraries. But for us who have lived in the US for a time...
So, kinikilala namin ang deaf community sa Pilipinas bilang isa sa mga cultural groups sa Pilipinas na merong unique na lengguwahe at ito nga ay ang Filipino Sign Language. So, nung
yung pamayanan ng mga bingi o walang pandinig ay kaisa namin dito sa pagtataguyod na ito. Yung MTB-MLE ay nagsisimula sa prinsipyo na kailangan.
I was signing. At first, I observed that the deaf students use sign English or Filipino Sign Language. I found out later and became aware that they are more comfortable using Filipino Sign Language in a natural communication. I showed the storybook to a deaf student for him to read the sentences.
That there are so many other factors that are present in Ateneo and Lasal that make their graduates a lot better than the graduates of those coming from mababang paaralan of so-and-so. So, we also found that contributory to the disagreements would be some statements found in the handbook of Filipino Sign Language. And so many of the people who say that they are the same
here and abroad, and has been cited with distinction. In our statement, we list research publications and presentation papers on FSL for the past decade that the PDRC has been involved in. This is comprised of the following: 21 papers on the structural linguistics of FSL, including the 4-book linguistics reference and introduction to Filipino Sign Language. 4 papers.
The UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, Article 30, states that persons with disabilities shall be entitled.
Ako po isang deputy majority leader sa 15th Congress.
The two perspectives that I bring this morning, I also speak. In the last 3 years, since I am now a person living with chronic illness, I am a person with a disability. I would like to start off by enumerating some common misconceptions about FSL. FSL is not based on any spoken or written language. FSL is not based on Filipino. It includes the word Filipino in its name because it is used by third-year students. This reality has become evident in the recommendations in the use of FSL in the other major language domains, the legal domain for court interpreting, and for math.
I am currently the Secretary of the Philippine Federation of the Deaf and also a member of the...
I think it's high time that we now acknowledge other means of educating deaf people. And that other means is not just a methodology, but rather an acknowledgement of their culture and their language. If we come from that perspective, being centered, learner-centered, then all of these methodologies will be able to help really the students, the deaf people, to become better individuals, quite even better than hearing graduates, of course, and be able to contribute to society. And but at this point, how many do we know are doctors who are deaf? How many do we know who are lawyers? How much information is spending?
Good morning. I'm Dr. Nestor Castro. I'm currently the chair of the UP Department of